This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for NEET from zero. First, build a strong foundation by thoroughly understanding basic concepts such as atomic structure, moles, and stoichiometry. Dedicate time to mastering the periodic table and chemical bonding, as these are the pillars of chemistry. Consistent practice of fundamental numerical problems, perhaps for 20 minutes each day, will solidify your understanding and prepare you for more complex topics. Next, let's tackle organic chemistry. Focus on understanding reaction mechanisms deeply, rather than just memorizing reactions. This approach will help you predict products and understand reactivity. Regularly practice naming organic compounds using EUPAC rules. To reinforce your learning, solve at least 15 mechanism-based questions every single day. This consistent effort will significantly improve your problem-solving skills in organic chemistry. For physical chemistry, the key is a strong grasp of formulas and their applications. Ensure you memorize all essential formulas and understand their derivations. This understanding is crucial for applying them correctly. Practice numerical problems from every chapter consistently, perhaps dedicating 1 full hour daily to solving these questions. This rigorous practice will build your confidence and speed, which are vital for success in this section. Finally, for inorganic chemistry, the NCERT textbooks are your best resource. Focus on understanding and memorizing facts from these books. Create concise short notes and use mnemonics to aid factual recall. Most importantly, consistent revision is non-negotiable. Revise all topics weekly and take mock tests regularly to assess your progress and identify areas needing improvement. This comprehensive approach will ensure you are well prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.